Hi, welcome back to 2 Minutes to a Better You. I'm your host, Richard Webb. Today, episode 16, and I'm going to show you the stomach vacuum exercise. If you've not been doing this exercise, you can literally lose an inch off your waist within 2 weeks. Okay, the stomach vacuum exercise sounds much worse than it really is. The good news is you need no equipment to do the exercise, therefore you can do it literally anywhere. This exercise targets the transverse abdominis pictured here. It's a muscle layer beneath the abdominal rectus or your front abs. The transverse abdominis wraps horizontally from the back of your body to the front. There's one on each side of your body, joined by a facial sheet that connects them and allows the pair to act as one solid muscle. As I said, the exercise is easy to do, and you can do it virtually anywhere. I do one set, 5 reps for 45 seconds each, with a 15-second rest between reps. I set my timer on my phone and I hold it for 45 seconds and relax for 15. Repeat 4 more times. It's simple. I stand up for this exercise, and what you do is you suck your navel in as far as you can, tighten your abs, pretend something is pulling your navel into your spine. You're holding each rep for 45 seconds. So be sure to breathe through your lungs rather than your diaphragm. If 45 seconds is too long, start with 30 and work your way up to 45. I do this after my weight and high-intensity interval training workouts 4 or 5 times a week. Start doing this exercise today and I guarantee that in 2 weeks, you will see a difference. Please like, subscribe, and comment. Next time, I'll be visiting R3 Cryo Spa in Austin, Texas.